Biting your lips can cause them to crack and peel, leading to soreness. You can usually treat your lips with self-care remedies to heal them within 2 to 3 weeks. However, if self-care remedies don't work, or if your lips show signs of infection, seek medical assistance. Continually touching your lips or picking at them with dirty fingers can introduce bacteria and worsen the condition. Saliva can also dry out your lips and potentially cause infection. To keep your lips moist, use a lip balm with ingredients like beeswax or petroleum. Avoid products with irritants, such as fragrances or certain flavors. Wash your hands before applying lip balm and wash your lips twice a day with water and mild soap to prevent infection. Applying a cool compress or a gentle moisturizer can also provide relief. Protect your lips from sun and wind exposure and ensure you consume a nutritious diet to promote healing. Use a lip balm with sunscreen and drink enough water to keep your lips moisturized. Consider using an air humidifier to prevent dryness in your home.